Did you know the monster that killed Odysseus's men was created because a goddess got rejected and took it out on the wrong person? Her name was Scylla, and she was just a nymph. A sea god named Glaucus became obsessed with her. She wanted nothing to do with him. So he went to Circe, the most powerful witch in the ancient world, and begged her for a love potion. But Circe fell for Glaucus instead, and Glaucus rejected her too. Now here's where it gets dark. Circe didn't go after Glaucus. She didn't punish the man who humiliated her. She went to the water where Scylla bathed every day and poured her poison into it. Scylla stepped into that water and came out as something unrecognizable. 6 heads, rows of teeth, a monster that would devour sailors for eternity. She didn't choose this. She didn't do anything wrong. She was just close enough to someone else's heartbreak. Circe got rejected and turned an innocent woman into a nightmare. Greek mythology really said collateral damage is forever.